Hey loves, I am back with a hair review. I know it's been such a long time since I've done a hair review, but yeah, I really miss, doing reviews and talking to you guys, so I figure let's just do a little, hair review. Now this hair is by Baby Heir Collection. It's by a YouTuber here, and she started her own hair business, and I've always wanted to check her out and, see what she was talking about, because in her videos, the hair just looks so beautiful. I believe her name is Chrissy Cousins. If I'm mistaken, I will write it right here. But so I decided to, give her give her a try. I love supporting businesses, and so this is actually not the first hair that I have ever purchased from her. I did purchase some Brazilian straight hair back in I think November. I believe it was for Black Friday, and I really love the hair. So I just figured, let me try her. I believe this is deep wavy, and you guys, I am in love. Also, if you want me to do a review on the Brazilian straight hair that I also purchased from her, let me know. That hair is super beautiful, and yeah, like, quality is amazing. So like I said, this is the I believe her Brazilian deep wavy, if I'm not mistaken, and I have it in inches 22, I believe 222s, a 20, and an 18-inch closure. Now I chose to get a 6x6 HD closure because I love HD closures. Her HD closures are amazing, but she actually sent me a 7x7, and I have never worked with a 7x7 closure before, and I have a little head, so it was kind of hard trying to squeeze all 3 bundles on this unit, because like I said, I have a small head, and the 7x7 closure, like literally it stops back here. So it's huge. It comes down to right here. Like, it's crazy, but I love it because it makes your install super flat, and you have a bunch of rooms to work with. If I wanted to do like a little half up, half down thing, I could. I mean, you just have so many more options, and I actually like this way better than a frontal because you don't have to glue it down. I still take this wig off every night. It's not glued down. I just have an elastic band sewed on, and that's it. Like, and you can make it look just like a frontal. So I love it. I really love this hair. I do have a few baby hairs. I like wearing baby hairs more with curly hair. So a lot of people don't like baby hairs, but if I have curly hair, and I love some cute little swoops up there. I think it looks really cute. But yeah, so far I have nothing, negative to say about this hair. You can, wet it and make it real sleek, and, have the waves popping, or you can wear it like me and just fluff it out. I love big fluffy hair, so I have this hair nice and fluffed out just the way I like it. It's really low maintenance. I haven't re-wet these curls or did anything to this hair since I made the wig. Yeah, so this hair has definitely been really low maintenance for me. I love low maintenance hair. I don't have time. I don't have time. So yeah, let me get in a little closer so y'all can actually see the waves and the texture of the hair. It's not silky. It's kind of like a medium luster, but it's just super pretty. Super pretty. All right, you guys, that's just about it on the hair. As far as me making wigs and everything like that, right now I'm not taking wig orders, but I am making, I do have pre-made wigs that I am selling. I have a little Etsy shop, and I just make wigs and put the wigs on the Etsy shop. They're, you know, ready to ship wigs, so you don't have to wait. So I'll definitely leave the link for that in the description bar so you can check that out. I will be adding more wigs to the site this week. Right now, I think I just have a bob on there. But so yeah, if you're interested in just like ready to ship wigs, follow me on the Etsy. Just keep an eye out because I'll be posting wigs, like I said, this week, and just, you know, periodically whenever I make a wig. So yeah, that's just about all. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy and practicing social distancing, you guys. I'm just really praying for everyone. This is some crazy, crazy times right now. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, but, you know, I'm really hopeful that we're going to get through this, you know, and we're just going to, everything's going to get back to normal, and we're going to come out this like strong and healthy. Everyone, please just practice safe living, wash your hands, disinfect things, you know. Let's really try to work on stopping this nasty virus, because we have things to do, honey. I got a whole broken nail. I mean, and stuff like this, it's not even important. I'm just joking. Like, I don't even care about this. I'm just ready for people to, you know, stop dying, and I'm just ready for this to go away. So yeah, like I said, y'all be healthy, be safe, and I will be back soon. All right, bye.